Halo semuanya, video kali ini berisi kalimat-kalimat yang umum dipakai dalam percakapan sehari-hari. Mari kita latih bersama-sama kalimat-kalimat tersebut dan kamu akan cepat mahir dalam berbahasa Inggris. Mari langsung saja kita mulai.
It's my birthday today. It's my birthday today.
Hari ini adalah hari ulang tahunku.
It really takes time. It really takes time.
Ini benar-benar membutuhkan waktu.
Sleep is important for our health. Sleep is important for our health.
Tidur penting untuk kesehatan kita.
He intend to help his friend. He intend to help his friend.
Dia berniat membantu temannya.
He is known for being a diligent worker. He is known for being a diligent worker.
Dia dikenal sebagai pekerja yang rajin.
Don't blame yourself. Don't blame yourself.
Jangan menyalahkan diri sendiri.
Can I pay by credit card? Can I pay by credit card?
Bisakah saya membayarnya dengan kartu kredit?
He's a talented man with many skills. He's a talented man with many skills.
Dia adalah pria berbakat dengan banyak keahlian.
Please stay with us for a while. Please stay with us for a while.
Tinggallah bersama kami sebentar.
The lights were turned off at night. The lights were turned off at night.
Lampu-lampu dimatikan di malam hari.
I am very happy today. I am very happy today.
Saya sangat senang hari ini.
I appreciate you concern. I appreciate you concern.
Saya menghargai perhatian Anda.
She bought a new bag yesterday. She bought a new bag yesterday.
Dia membeli tas baru kemarin.
It is a sunny day today. It is a sunny day today.
Hari ini adalah hari yang cerah.
His dream will materialize soon. His dream will materialize soon.
Mimpinya akan terwujud segera.
Where are you now? Where are you now?
Di mana kamu sekarang?
It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense.
Itu tidak masuk akal.
Please don't waste food. Please don't waste food.
Tolong jangan membuang makanan.
Please use this format for the report. Please use this format for the report.
Tolong gunakan format ini untuk laporan.
He is entirely devoted to his work. He is entirely devoted to his work.
Dia sepenuhnya mengabdi pada pekerjaannya.
I love my mother very much. I love my mother very much.
Saya sangat mencintai ibu saya.
Come whenever you like. Come whenever you like.
Datanglah kapanpun kamu mau.
I have a picnic in the park. I have a picnic in the park.
Saya piknik di taman.
She passed the exam with flying colors. She passed the exam with flying colors.
Dia lulus ujian dengan nilai sempurna.
Her sincere smile made everyone happy. Her sincere smile made everyone happy.
Senyumnya yang tulus membuat semua orang bahagia.
He is one of the best. He is one of the best.
Dia salah satu yang terbaik.
Can you show me the way? Can you show me the way?
Bisakah Anda menunjukkan jalannya?
Each culture has its own customs and traditions. Each culture has its own customs and traditions.
Setiap budaya memiliki adat istiadat dan tradisi tersendiri.
The key to success is hard work and determination. The key to success is hard work and determination.
Kunci kesuksesan adalah kerja keras dan ketekunan.
The store offers a variety of products. The store offers a variety of products.
Toko tersebut menawarkan berbagai macam produk.
I have a new bag. I have a new bag.
Saya punya tas baru.
Meeting in progress. Meeting in progress.
Pertemuan sedang berlangsung.
I am proud of my child. I am proud of my child.
Saya bangga dengan anak saya.
He organized the files on his computer. He organized the files on his computer.
Dia mengatur berkas-berkas di komputernya.
A flexible approach can solve problems. A flexible approach can solve problems.
Pendekatan yang fleksibel bisa menyelesaikan masalah.
He speaks confidently now. He speaks confidently now.
Dia berbicara dengan percaya diri sekarang.
Have anyone seen my cell phone? Have anyone seen my cell phone?
Apakah ada yang melihat telepon genggam saya?
Waiting for the bus can be tiresome. Waiting for the bus can be tiresome.
Menunggu bus bisa melelahkan.
The design of the building was unique. The design of the building was unique.
Desain bangunan tersebut unik.
The doctor gave me a prescription for medication. The doctor gave me a prescription for medication.
Dokter memberi saya resep obat.
He felt disappointed when he lost the game. He felt disappointed when he lost the game.
Dia merasa kecewa ketika kalah dalam permainan.
She put my bag on the table. She put my bag on the table.
Dia meletakkan tas saya di atas meja.
I intend to eat dinner early. I intend to eat dinner early.
Saya berniat makan malam lebih awal.
The baby is always sleepy after lunch. The baby is always sleepy after lunch.
Bayi itu selalu mengantuk setelah makan siang.
I presumed you would help me with this. I presumed you would help me with this.
Saya menganggap Anda akan membantu saya dengan ini.
I knew you could do it. I knew you could do it.
Saya tahu kamu bisa melakukannya.
Is something bothering you? Is something bothering you?
Apa ada sesuatu yang mengganggumu?
He accumulated a lot of wealth over the years. He accumulated a lot of wealth over the years.
Dia mengumpulkan banyak kekayaan selama bertahun-tahun.
You can find the information in the reference book. You can find the information in the reference book.
Anda dapat menemukan informasinya di buku referensi.
The delivery of the package was delayed. The delivery of the package was delayed.
Pengiriman paket itu terlambat.
Don't give up hope, there's still time. Don't give up hope, there's still time.
Jangan putus asa, masih ada waktu.
Pleased to meet you again. Pleased to meet you again.
Senang berjumpa denganmu lagi.
I saw a terrible accident. I saw a terrible accident.
Saya melihat kecelakaan yang mengerikan.
They serve healthy food at this restaurant. They serve healthy food at this restaurant.
Mereka menyajikan makanan sehat di restoran ini.
I bought a new frame for my photo. I bought a new frame for my photo.
Saya membeli bingkai baru untuk foto saya.
What happened to you? What happened to you?
Apa yang terjadi padamu?
I heard you've been ill. I heard you've been ill.
Saya mendengar bahwa kamu sedang sakit.
She expressed her gratitude for the gift. She expressed her gratitude for the gift.
Dia menyampaikan rasa terima kasihnya atas hadiah tersebut.
The matter was discussed in the meeting. The matter was discussed in the meeting.
Bahan tersebut dibahas dalam pertemuan.
Her personality is very charming. Her personality is very charming.
Kepribadiannya sangat menawan.
The county government is responsible for roads and bridges. The county government is responsible for roads and bridges.
Pemerintah daerah bertanggung jawab atas jalan dan jembatan.
What can we do to kill time? What can we do to kill time?
Apa yang bisa kita lakukan untuk menghabiskan waktu?
The parade passed by our house. The parade passed by our house.
Pawai lewat di depan rumah kami.
The house has 3 bedrooms and kitchen. The house has 3 bedrooms and kitchen.
Rumah itu memiliki 3 kamar tidur dan dapur.
He wore a suit to the wedding yesterday. He wore a suit to the wedding yesterday.
Dia mengenakan jas ke pernikahan kemarin.
We are making progress. We are making progress.
Kami membuat kemajuan.
Take your time, there's no need to rush. Take your time, there's no need to rush.
Santai saja, tidak perlu terburu-buru.
They made a generous donation to the charity. They made a generous donation to the charity.
Mereka melakukan donasi yang besar untuk amal.
His competency in the field is unquestionable. His competency in the field is unquestionable.
Kompetensinya dalam bidang tersebut tidak diragukan lagi.
Effective communication is essential in any relationship. Effective communication is essential in any relationship.
Komunikasi yang efektif penting dalam setiap hubungan.
The mall is very crowded on weekends. The mall is very crowded on weekends.
Mall sangat ramai pada akhir pekan.
Swimming is great fun. Swimming is great fun.
Berenang sangat menyenangkan.
The teacher allocated books to students. The teacher allocated books to students.
Guru membagikan buku kepada siswa.
The company had to hand over the confidential documents. The company had to hand over the confidential documents.
Perusahaan itu harus menyerahkan dokumen rahasia.
It takes effort to learn a new language. It takes effort to learn a new language.
Membutuhkan usaha untuk belajar bahasa baru.
Do you have anything to do tonight? Do you have anything to do tonight?
Apakah kamu punya rencana malam ini?
You're welcome to ask me any questions. You're welcome to ask me any questions.
Anda boleh bertanya kepada saya pertanyaan apapun.
We studied hard, but we still failed the exam. We studied hard, but we still failed the exam.
Kami belajar keras, tetapi kami masih gagal ujian. Intelektualnya mengesankan semua orang yang ditemuinya. Intelektualnya mengesankan semua orang yang ditemuinya.
His intellect impresses everyone he meets. Feeding the baby requires patience and care. Feeding the baby requires patience and care.
Memberi makan bayi memerlukan kesabaran dan perhatian.
Please read this sentence slowly. Please read this sentence slowly.
Tolong baca kalimat ini dengan perlahan.
I feel the same way. I feel the same way.
Saya merasakan hal yang sama.
Can you read this word for me? Can you read this word for me?
Bisakah kamu membaca kata ini untuk saya?
They need help to fix the car. They need help to fix the car.
Mereka membutuhkan bantuan untuk memperbaiki mobil.
The document needs a genuine signature. The document needs a genuine signature.
Dokumen tersebut memerlukan tanda tangan yang asli.
I'm cleaning my room. I'm cleaning my room.
Aku sedang membersihkan kamarku.
May I take your message? May I take your message?
Bolehkah saya mengambil pesan Anda?
Regular practice is key to improving your skills. Regular practice is key to improving your skills.
Praktik secara teratur adalah kunci untuk meningkatkan keterampilan Anda.
They signed an international trade agreement. They signed an international trade agreement.
Mereka menandatangani perjanjian perdagangan internasional.
The touching moment brought tears to her eyes. The touching moment brought tears to her eyes.
Momen yang menyentuh membuatnya menangis.
I need to send this package by express mail. I need to send this package by express mail.
Saya perlu mengirim paket ini dengan pengiriman cepat.
May I use your bathroom? May I use your bathroom?
Bolehkah saya menggunakan kamar mandimu?
The writer secluded himself to finish his novel. The writer secluded himself to finish his novel.
Penulis itu menyendiri untuk menyelesaikan novelnya.
She writes very quickly and neatly. She writes very quickly and neatly.
Dia menulis dengan sangat cepat dan rapi.
She is making preparations for the event tomorrow. She is making preparations for the event tomorrow.
Dia sedang membuat persiapan untuk acara besok.
Take whichever you want. Take whichever you want.
Ambil yang mana saja yang kamu mau.
Please tell him to call me back, thanks. Please tell him to call me back, thanks.
Tolong sampaikan kepadanya untuk menelpon saya, terima kasih.
The job offer doesn't suit his qualifications. The job offer doesn't suit his qualifications.
Tawaran pekerjaan tidak sesuai dengan kualifikasinya.
His existence brings joy to everyone. His existence brings joy to everyone.
Keberadaannya membawa kebahagiaan untuk semua orang.
The room needs to be thoroughly cleaned. The room needs to be thoroughly cleaned.
Ruangan itu perlu dibersihkan secara menyeluruh.
The comfort zone is where you feel safe and secure. The comfort zone is where you feel safe and secure.
Zona nyaman adalah tempat di mana Anda merasa aman dan nyaman.
My favorite sport is swimming. My favorite sport is swimming.
Olahraga favorit saya adalah renang.
He expressed his anger loudly. He expressed his anger loudly.
Dia mengungkapkan kemarahannya dengan keras.
The government handed over power to the newly elected president. The government handed over power to the newly elected president.
Pemerintah menyerahkan kekuasaan kepada presiden terpilih.
She serves customers at the restaurant. She serves customers at the restaurant.
Dia melayani pelanggan di restoran.
I will order something to eat. I will order something to eat.
Saya akan memesan sesuatu untuk dimakan.
I don't know how to tell you. I don't know how to tell you.
Aku tidak tahu bagaimana mengatakannya padamu.
The regulation prohibits smoking in public areas. The regulation prohibits smoking in public areas.
Peraturan itu melarang merokok di tempat umum.
She undergoes therapy to improve her mental health. She undergoes therapy to improve her mental health.
Dia menjalani terapi untuk meningkatkan kesehatan mentalnya.
He bought food in bulk yesterday. He bought food in bulk yesterday.
Dia membeli makanan dalam jumlah besar kemarin.
This is disputed territory between the two countries. This is disputed territory between the two countries.
Ini adalah wilayah yang disengketakan antara dua negara.
I know her very well. I know her very well.
Saya mengenalnya sangat baik.
Her strange behavior baffled her friends. Her strange behavior baffled her friends.
Perilaku anehnya membingungkan teman-temannya.
People shouldn't dump their emotions on others. People shouldn't dump their emotions on others.
Orang tidak seharusnya melampiaskan emosinya pada orang lain.
They decompose the materials into compost. They decompose the materials into compost.
Mereka mengurai bahan-bahan tersebut menjadi kompos.
Prices are subject to change without notice. Prices are subject to change without notice.
Harga dapat berubah tanpa pemberitahuan.
I'm very hungry. I missed my breakfast this morning. I'm very hungry. I missed my breakfast this morning.
Saya sangat lapar, saya tidak sarapan pagi ini.
Don't forget to ask for a receipt after making a purchase. Don't forget to ask for a receipt after making a purchase.
Jangan lupa minta tanda terima setelah melakukan pembelian.
He accidentally dropped his phone. He accidentally dropped his phone.
Dia secara tidak sengaja menjatuhkan ponselnya.
They wore traditional costumes for the festival. They wore traditional costumes for the festival.
Mereka memakai kostum tradisional untuk festival itu.
The problem baffled the scientists. The problem baffled the scientists.
Masalah itu membingungkan para ilmuwan.
I will let you know this afternoon. I will let you know this afternoon.
Saya akan memberitahumu nanti sore.
The company consigned the products to a new market. The company consigned the products to a new market.
Perusahaan mengirim produk ke pasar baru.
The children listened to the bedtime story. The children listened to the bedtime story.
Anak-anak mendengarkan cerita malam sebelum tidur.
The book tells a compelling narrative of survival. The book tells a compelling narrative of survival.
Buku tersebut menceritakan narasi yang menarik tentang bertahan hidup.
Do you know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying?
Apakah kamu tahu apa yang saya katakan?
I'm new here. I wondered if you could help me. I'm new here. I wondered if you could help me.
Saya masih baru di sini, apakah Anda bisa membantu saya?
She gained valuable experience from her internship. She gained valuable experience from her internship.
Dia mendapat pengalaman berharga dari magangnya.
She made a proposition during the meeting. She made a proposition during the meeting.
Dia membuat saran selama pertemuan.
I need to have these documents printed. I need to have these documents printed.
Saya membutuhkan dokumen-dokumen ini untuk dicetak.
We discussed the badness of the situation. We discussed the badness of the situation.
Kami membahas keburukan situasi tersebut.
She secluded herself in her room to study. She secluded herself in her room to study.
Dia menyendiri di kamarnya untuk belajar.
The losing team was relegated to a lower division. The losing team was relegated to a lower division.
Tim yang kalah diturunkan ke divisi yang lebih rendah.
Her eyes conveyed a sense of sadness. Her eyes conveyed a sense of sadness.
Matanya menyampaikan perasaan sedih.
The speaker delivered a powerful speech. The speaker delivered a powerful speech.
Pembicara menyampaikan pidato yang kuat.
Obeying the law is essential for maintaining order. Obeying the law is essential for maintaining order.
Mematuhi hukum penting untuk menjaga ketertiban.
They have a strong liaison with the neighboring country. They have a strong liaison with the neighboring country.
Mereka memiliki hubungan yang kuat dengan negara tetangga.
They reached a reconciliation after the conflict. They reached a reconciliation after the conflict.
Mereka mencapai rekonsiliasi setelah konflik.
I missed last night's episode of my favorite show. I missed last night's episode of my favorite show.
Saya melewatkan episode terakhir acara favorit saya semalam.
Express delivery is available for urgent packages. Express delivery is available for urgent packages.
Pengiriman cepat tersedia untuk paket-paket yang mendesak.
I don't know how to cook omelette. I don't know how to cook omelette.
Saya tidak tahu cara memasak omelet.
You are very good with computer. You are very good with computer.
Kamu sangat pandai dengan komputer.
Is there something wrong? Is there something wrong?
Apakah ada yang salah?
I have nothing to worry about. I have nothing to worry about.
Tidak ada yang saya khawatirkan.
I hope you can get that job. I hope you can get that job.
Saya harap kamu bisa mendapatkan pekerjaan itu.
You have no idea how difficult it was. You have no idea how difficult it was.
Kamu tidak tahu betapa sulitnya itu.
How long does it take to ship the item? How long does it take to ship the item?
Berapa lama waktu yang dibutuhkan untuk mengirimkan barang itu?
I need to prepare the documents for the meeting. I need to prepare the documents for the meeting.
Saya perlu menyiapkan dokumen untuk rapat.
They are talking about new project. They are talking about new project.
Mereka sedang membicarakan proyek baru.
The police officer handed out tickets to the drivers. The police officer handed out tickets to the drivers.
Petugas polisi memberikan surat tilang kepada para pengemudi.
The government agency provides social services. The government agency provides social services.
Lembaga pemerintah menyediakan layanan sosial.
I visit a museum with my class. I visit a museum with my class.
Saya mengunjungi museum bersama kelas saya.
Humankind is capable of great things. Humankind is capable of great things.
Umat manusia mampu melakukan hal-hal besar.
Your body needs water to stay healthy. Your body needs water to stay healthy.
Tubuh Anda membutuhkan air untuk tetap sehat.
I ride my bike around the neighborhood. I ride my bike around the neighborhood.
Saya bersepeda keliling lingkungan.
She gave me a beautiful flower. She gave me a beautiful flower.
Dia memberikan saya bunga yang indah.
The antenna transmitted the signal to the receiver. The antenna transmitted the signal to the receiver.
Antena mengirimkan sinyal ke penerima.
The goods were shipped by sea. The goods were shipped by sea.
Barang-barang itu dikirimkan melalui laut.
She forwarded the call to her voicemail. She forwarded the call to her voicemail.
Dia meneruskan panggilan itu ke pesan suaranya.
The students submitted their exams on time. The students submitted their exams on time.
Siswa-siswa menyerahkan ujian mereka tepat waktu.
I use a fan to cool down. I use a fan to cool down.
Saya menggunakan kipas angin untuk mendinginkan diri.
He quietly read his book in the corner. He quietly read his book in the corner.
Dia membaca bukunya dengan tenang di sudut ruangan.
I need to let the dish cool down, it's hot. I need to let the dish cool down, it's hot.
Saya perlu membiarkan hidangan mendingin, ini panas.
She takes a walk after lunch each day. She takes a walk after lunch each day.
Dia berjalan kaki setelah makan siang setiap hari.
The garden is full of colorful plants. The garden is full of colorful plants.
Taman itu penuh dengan tanaman berwarna-warni.
Her craftiness helped her solve the puzzle. Her craftiness helped her solve the puzzle.
Kecerdikannya membantunya memecahkan teka-teki.
Craftsmanship in these items is impressive. Craftsmanship in these items is impressive.
Keahlian dalam pembuatan barang-barang ini mengesankan.
Can you stop by the pharmacy on the way home? Can you stop by the pharmacy on the way home?
Bisakah kamu mampir ke apotik dalam perjalanan pulang?
There are many ways to solve this problem. There are many ways to solve this problem.
Ada banyak macam cara untuk menyelesaikan masalah ini.
Appointment to the position will be made soon. Appointment to the position will be made soon.
Pengangkatan ke posisi tersebut akan segera dilakukan.
She wrote a polite letter of apology. She wrote a polite letter of apology.
Dia menulis surat permintaan maaf yang sopan.
He likes to watch movies on weekends. He likes to watch movies on weekends.
Dia suka menonton film di akhir pekan.
He fixed the boat before the trip. He fixed the boat before the trip.
Dia memperbaiki perahu sebelum perjalanan.
She wore a heavy coat in the winter. She wore a heavy coat in the winter.
Dia mengenakan mantel tebal di musim dingin.
Can you visit the doctor this week? Can you visit the doctor this week?
Bisakah kamu mengunjungi dokter minggu ini?
Nature provides many beautiful landscapes. Nature provides many beautiful landscapes.
Alam menyediakan banyak pemandangan indah.
She bought new clothes last week. She bought new clothes last week.
Dia membeli pakaian baru minggu lalu.
She likes to make up daily. She likes to make up daily.
Dia suka dandan setiap hari.
He wore comfortable shorts for running. He wore comfortable shorts for running.
Dia memakai celana pendek yang nyaman untuk berlari.
They are breeding freshwater fish. They are breeding freshwater fish.
Mereka sedang melakukan pembiakan ikan air tawar.